Doing. What's up, guys? We are opening Pokemon cards. We got the Elite Trainer box. Sister's gonna open some packs. We also got the sick promo. The sick Typhlosion promo holo. That is really sick. Like, look at it. Right, Vic? She took it. So we're gonna be opening this up, previewing everything that's inside this box, and hopefully we're pulling the shiny Snom. Yes, Vic. Thank you. Oh, there you go. Got the package off, So right now, let's see. Got the little card. This is actually, I think, Moose. Hi, Moose. You know, a bunch of packs. This, I think, if you peeled this off, turns into a cool diorama. I didn't even get to show the camera. Cool little diorama, so you could have the Charizard, that one, yep. Okay. Then it comes with this sick player's guide of what you can find in Shining Fates, all the cards, all the cool. See, look at that. Those are all the shiny cards you can get. And now, the one we are searching for is Shiny Snom. Now, Shiny Snom is what we need, so let's get this player guide ready. Okay, let's open the box. Got the lid. My God. Okay, now we have this Pokemon trading card game rules. Oh, so the rules for the card game, this would be useful. We got some nice dice and some damage tokens. Oh, wait. Okay. We got this. We got the EV dividers. Look at those. Oh. Got the EV dividers. Pretty cool. We got the energy cards. We got the EV sleeves. We'll save these on the side just in case if we pull something good. Alright. Let's pull these out. We got the EV promo that's in the wrapper. Look at that, EV VMAX. Here you go, Vic. We got the code card if you guys want to play the game online. Here's the code. And look at this. Look at all these Pokemon packs. So, all these Pokemon packs, look at all of them. We're going to... I'm making a YouTube video. No friends over. So we'll separate them. How many do you have? Is that 5? 5 each?
Bro. Well, yeah, 5.
Just ignore that.
Hey, why did you get all the Charizard packs?
I just organized them. You want a Charizard pack?
Yeah.
Okay, just give me that one. Okay. We got our packs. Let's start off pulling some hitters. Go. Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you ready? Oh, I messed up. Card trick. Is that the shiny? Oh, Snom! Snom! Oh my God! I got a Snom!
I got a Snom too.
What? No! They tore the Snom! hell? She pulled a good one. She pulled a full art trainer.
What?
That's pretty good.
Yeah. I mean, sleeves. Or
Oh.
whatever it's called.
Yeah, we'll open these sleeves so we can sleeve up our goodies. There's your
The
sleeve.
first card I see is Bulgar.
I don't know. I got a green code, but I didn't get anything good. Oh no, I got this hollow. This Indini hollow. What's up? We're making a YouTube video. Got that Indini hollow. Gotta sleeve up those snoms.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, get your milk away. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 4 more packs.
Okay.
You did the pack trick wrong. Ooh. Oops. Sorry. 3, 4. 4, right? Yeah. You got a shiny Eevee. Look at all these cards. That's Alice. We got a Manthony.
Don't say people's feelings.
Who cares?
Who cares about you?
Oh. I'm opening a Charizard one. Let's hope it has the Zardiard. We haven't pulled any VMAXs yet, which is sad.
All the first good ones.
Yeah, Vic actually pulled a full art trainer. Got another green code. 4 the front. I'll just hold it so you can see the.
So you're just taking all of his songs?
Yep, obviously. Don't touch it. Oops. Sorry there. Oh!
You just.
Oh!
Holy cow!
I got a double hitter! Look at that! I shot! Holy crap!
Holy cow!
Oh! Oh!
Now that's cool.
Double hitter!
I can't open this.
Snoms as well. I mean,
What is with you with snobs?
Snoms are just lit.
Legendary to him.
Oh,
To me, snobs are just.
I pulled a rainbow! Look at that! That's sick!
To me, snobs are just regulars.
Okay, be quiet.
They're normal.
They're snobs.
They're not.
So far, this is our pile. Look at all these cards. Got my Charizard hat. Screw that. Opening another pack. You wanna open?
I can't.
Ah!
Oh, hold on.
Oh, we both got one more pack after this. One, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's another. Oh, reverse. Oh, it's a Holo Vic. I think. I don't know. Yo, got the shiny version.
Who's ball guy?
Hmm?
Morky Boo.
Charizard shiny! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Shut up.
Cow.
Oh my god! I got the shiny Charizard.
Wait, let me see. Let me see it.
No, you're not touching it.
Is that a VMAX?
Shiny Charizard! Oh my god! Bro, I got so many good ones!
Will you stop sniffing my leg down there?
Oh my god!
Shut up, Dan. You're hurting my ears.
Yes, calm down.
Hmm?
Calm down, Queen.
Vic, after the end of this video,
Face in the way.
oops, I accidentally just went through and, oh, shiny double V. Is that all your pack, Vic?
No.
You didn't get anything? Here, Vic. Have them. They're yours. And also this one. But definitely not these. Snob.
Yeah, definitely not snow.
Okay, let's just say the best pull of the day was this one.
And the snoms.
This is the one Josh wants. Obviously, he's not getting it. This is mine. So yeah, ETB Shining Fates. Pretty good. Pretty good. So yeah, hopefully you like and subscribe. Fine. Here's a snom.
I want a snom.
She just eated the snom.
I want snom.
Okay, so
Give Alice a snom.
no. Insane. Insane.
Yep. How does it divide?
You just put it in like this. Well, you enjoy. You can have all these cards as well if you want them.
No.
That's a lot of cards.
Yeah, that's a lot of cards.
Please like and subscribe. Enjoy.